If you have heard of SHSH Blobs and want to save them so that you can downgrade your phone to an older version someday, here is all you need to watch. Hey guys, welcome back to Tenorshare. If you've ever wanted to revert to an older iOS version after updating, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what SHSH Blobs are and why they matter. SHSH Blobs are digital signatures used by Apple to verify your device's firmware during an update or restore. Once Apple stops signing an iOS version, you can no longer downgrade to it, unless you've saved the SHSH Blobs. By saving these blobs, you're essentially giving yourself a safety net to go back to a previous iOS version. But here is a thing, even with saved SHSH Blobs, downgrading to an older iOS version isn't always safe or guaranteed. Downgrading without jailbreaking is difficult and could damage your phone. Jailbreaking, on the other hand, compromises your data security, so I don't recommend it. Still, in this video, I'll guide you on how to save SHSH Blobs in advance. If you want to downgrade safely, check out the linked video on using iTunes and ReiBoot. And we are now heading to the next part. To download the SHSH Blob, the first and most important step is to back up your device using iCloud, iTunes, or Finder. This ensures that all your data is safe in case anything goes wrong during the process. Next, you'll need to download a tool called blobsaver. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the GitHub page. Make sure to download the version that's compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, click to install blobsaver on your computer. Before launching it, open Notepad or any text editor and create placeholders for ecid apnonce and generator values. These are crucial for saving your SHSH blobs to restore iOS, and we'll fill them in shortly. Open blobsaver. Now connect your iOS device to your computer using the USB cable. Select their Read from Devices option. The tool will automatically detect your device and fill in the required fields like ecid. You can check the iOS you need here. Then you need to click the Read from Device button below. The program will put your device into recovery mode briefly to fetch some necessary information. Don't worry, your device will exit recovery mode automatically once the process is complete. After blobsaver completes its work, copy the apnonce and generator values from the tool and paste them into Notepad for safekeeping. Then, check these two options here. Choose a location on your computer, like a folder on your desktop, and save the SHSH Blobs there. You can only save SHSH Blobs for iOS versions that Apple is still signing, like iOS 17. This means you can't save blobs for older versions that are no longer signed. So, you need to act early if you want to have the option to downgrade in the future. If you did not get the SHSH Blob you want and need to downgrade your phone, you can use ReiBoot to downgrade your phone safely with the firmware you want. Check out the description to learn how to do it. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.